You don't worry about the capacitor because Thevenin deals with DC, and the capacitor acts as an open circuit. Okay?
You heard that? You get that?
No, I didn't get it.
No, I didn't get it.
He's asking, when we are calculating the Thevenin voltage, if we should not worry about the capacitor. Now, by definition, Thevenin voltage deals with DC current and voltages. Now, the capacitor for DC purposes is an open circuit.
So don't worry about it.
So it's not affecting our voltage.
Calculations.
When we're looking for
Right.
our Thevenin, we just shut this thing, and then we have only those resistors right here.
I want you to be aware, you turn off the power supply and then you short it out. Because if you short it out,
So,
it will smoke.
so at this point, my R Thevenin is in parallel still.
Yes, when you short circuit, yes. Because this point is at the same potential as this.
Yeah, they're parallel. See, before this looks more like
This
series.
side
You're
of the
talking about.
resistance is connected to this one. And this side of the resistance, the resistor is connected to this one. Therefore, these two are in parallel.
You see what they
I'm
did?
not sure.
Yes,
you know,
yes,
we,
yes.
Yeah, you guys are getting that?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Okay. As I'm looking for the V Thevenin,
P7.
it will be voltage divider rule.
Yes, at this
It's
point.
gonna be V total, which is, I'm not gonna worry about that. All this.
No.
Just shut that
You
off.
need
It's the power supply.
you need that. Now
using-
you're changing
we're
around.
using voltage by the rule.
Yeah,
So it's the total voltage, the applied voltage,
this is the 22.
right?
The 22.
The 22.
Really?
Yeah, 22 times R2.
Yeah, which is 3.9K.
But I'm surprised they're asking about the 22 volts now.
No, I ask you because you tell me if I'm short, I don't need
No,
to take
when you
consideration.
find a voltage, you forget the short.
Okay. To find the R Thevenin, you disconnect the power supply and you short this out. Once you calculate this, you take the short out
Okay.
and then
Calculate the voltage. How come you calculate voltage without the power supply?
and then you